how to send audio file on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an audio file through direct message within the Instagram app. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So within messaging on Instagram, there is no way to send a direct audio file. So the best and most secure way to do this is going to be to use a service like Google Drive. If you don't like using Google, you can try Dropbox, OneDrive for Microsoft, or even iCloud if you're on an iPhone. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it with Google Drive. So open up Google Drive on your iPhone or Android phone, then log into your account, and then select the plus symbol in the bottom right of Google Drive. From there, select Upload File, and then just simply select Browse. Now we just need to find the audio file that we want to share on Instagram, and that's this right here. You could change the name if you want to, but go ahead and select Upload, and it'll then upload that audio file to Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, refresh Google Drive, and then you'll see it at the top up here, and all we need to do is select the three dots to the right of that file, and then select Share. Once this opens up, select the person icon right there in the bottom of the app, then just select the link icon in the top right of the app, and then it will have copied a link to that audio file on your phone. So now all we need to do is open up Instagram and just paste that link. And then the person you're sending it to just needs to click that link. If it doesn't open within Instagram, all they need to do is select the three dots at the top right of Instagram and then select Open in External Browser. And then that file will open up and start playing. If they want to download that file, all they need to do is select the three dots in the top right and select Download. And then it will download that audio file to their phone or computer. And that's how you send audio files on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.